Let's look at the first type of helping verb, which is primary auxiliary verbs. They are be, do, and have, which means that primary auxiliary verbs have three forms, which are be, do, and have. They are called primary because they can help main verbs or they can actually be the main verbs. Now let's look at the first form, be. Be verb forms are is, are, am, and were. Let's look at its example. Hadia is writing a poem. In this sentence, writing is the main verb and is helping the main verb writing. Now, let's come to the have form. The have verb form is used to show completed actions. For example, she has just finished her lunch. In this sentence, the action of eating has been completed. And we know that have is used for plural and has is used for singular. Now, let's come to the last one, the do verb form. It is used to make negatives, to ask questions, and to show emphasis. Let's look at its examples. I do not like teasing others. Here, it is showing the negative. Let's look at the second sentence. Do you like cake? Here, do is used to ask a question. I do want you to help me. In this sentence, do is used to show emphasis. We can clearly see that the person wants you, specifically only you, to help me. Now let's look at the last sentence. Hadia likes cake more than Ikra does. In this sentence, both Hadia and Ikra like cake, but it is emphasizing that Hadia likes it more than Ikra does. Now, let's come to the second type of helping verb, which is modal auxiliary verbs. They modify the main verb to express possibility or necessity. Will and might are modal auxiliary verbs. Let's look at their examples. In the first sentence, you can see that Hadia will go to visit Ikra today. And the second sentence shows that Ikra might be busy today. In the first sentence, will is used to show the necessity, which means that Hadia will definitely go to visit Ikra. But in the second sentence, might is used to show the possibility, which is that it might be possible that Ikra will be busy today, or maybe she might not be busy. Now, let's do an activity. Make some sentences using the main and helping verbs on a loose sheet.